know, dog. Don't know, brother. Don't know what to say.
Hey, yo. First thing I'ma do when I pop out is...
Wanna know that, go? Copyright. But from when you hear this song, when you know me I go talk about, when you see the title, so you know what me I go talk about. You see me I say? Skillibeng, Skillibeng, Skillibeng. I mean, naturally, we are clearly the Nicki Minaj and Skillibeng Crocodile T collab me I talk about. However, I was holding on Skilly right now. One thing down below, like, first, me see you. I know y'all watch the video, I ain't like. I'm gonna like that. So here we're going. Like the video. Alright, thanks. Alright, cool. So boom. This is what I say. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. We get all that out of the way because we are going right now. Guys, before we go no further, let me know down below what you think about the collab. The Skillibeng and Nicki Minaj, Crocodile T. Like, let me know what you think about the song before me start. So, may I give you like 5 seconds if you tell me what you think? Just say hot or not before me start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, boom boy, you type fast, like that. Let me start off by saying I don't like the collab. I'm gonna care who have nothing to say. I think the collab is trash. I don't like it. That shit way. No, don't that shit way. Don't that shit way. You mad? I don't like the collab. That's like I don't like the song, but I like the collab. You get what I mean? When I like the song, but I like the fact that Nicki Minaj collab with Skillibeng. Guys, wanna know how that big? Like, think about it, guys. Skilly career. Well, it's big for Skilly because Skilly career 2 years old. And so far, what you say, you know, clearly I'm linked with Poppy, one of the big man in the dancehall now. I'm linked with Popcorn. I'm linked with Drake. I want to say Drake is a man who rate the culture, you see me? We see him enough time, you know, like him rate the culture. I'm linked with Drake. As in like Drake has ratings and stuff, I will see that clear, you see me? Enough international artists we see a snap to him music. Well, Crocodile Teeth and some other songs. I think Hot and like you have some songs where crossover, but Crocodile Teeth are the numbers right now. It's are the crazy right now. You see me? So, boom. Young M.A., Rich the Kid, he want go on good. No, lie me I tell. Something much of father they are trash with her. Like, let's be honest. Like I ain't gonna cap. I'm not gonna lie, dog. Skilly. Every song they drop in the past couple months, take it up back. Take up all of them back. Because I just feel like all of them should have run with Crocodile Teeth. The song are the good. I'm not really seeing a promotion feat. I'm not seeing a promotion like that. We just know that the song are the good internationally. But the question we have to ask is how much weight the one song they can pull. Because other day him give you Yo Pow. Him give you Trafalgar Road the other day, like, come on. From me say, yo, a Pow, Nike, come on. That them they not go nowhere, bro. And it's like when him name crossover, on the thing Skilly have the music for back it, like when him name crossover and people start looking, you see me I say? I say, yo, who the youth ya? When you feel like the song that him drop the other day enough to carry him? Because your name, like the bag international recognition we might get from the other day, it don't mean same reach. It don't mean say Skilly boss way. It just means that there's a lot of opportunities there for him now. Enough doors open. Enough people are looking to say, yo, who the youth ya? So enough, you like saying if you take up everything when you drop the other day, like, me get you as an artist, you want to have enough tune. But not enough trash songs, dog. I mean, I'm a fan, not gonna lie. I'm a fan. But you have to be real. You see me? I'm a fan, so I listen to his songs. You see me I say? I'm pre them because me keep on and look on him because me want him find it back. And me want to say, yo, yeah man, dog reach back. You see me I say? It dog land. But I ain't even go lie, bro. These collabs are the good, the bag of international recognition. Like, it's a go on. But want more, want music where we see say you put time into it, man. Friday day I give be techie type of music. You don't want them there, brother. From me say, yo, a pow. Basic school rhymes, bro. Gunshot in the face, no. Brother, do the foolishness, dog. You see what I'm saying? We don't want your career get bigger than you. Hey, that makes sense enough. We don't want your career get bigger than you. Because your career have the potential right now, based on all the international recognition, it have the potential to be big. Like, you have the potential to be big. But the music where you drop around the other day, brother, nah, dog. People are going to see and go, this the same guy? This skill? Nah, this can't be the same guy. Because it's, remember, you know, guys, me I compare the man to himself. But I compare him to other artists. Look what him give already. Him give Crocodile teeth, which are the numbers as we talk about it. Him give Mr. Universe. That it got crazy, brother. You see me I say? Him give when him just bust, him give brick. Nice, good song. Him give 50 bag. Him give enough song, brother. You see me I say? And I just feel like the skill if it come to be just like composed right now. I just say, yo, if I go try and please the people. Because right now I'm just a drop music for drop music's sake. I'm not drop music for we no more. I'm not business about we at this point. Because I don't know who asked for them song. I'm not Trafalgar Road. No, I'm sorry. I say actual song, but we not actually song. We never ask Trafalgar Road. Would troll it, but you give you a song for it, and we're just like, yeah, this nigga clearly does not think about shit before dropping it. Like, you clearly not meds it before dropping it, brother. You see what I say? I feel like say music's supposed to pass through stages before it produce. Nah. I feel like Skilly have a studio in a bedroom. And morning time you wake up, alright? How I feel? Happy. Me feel happy. Wake, me head real nappy. Me happy. Yeah, me head still nappy. Like, stop giving them there. We don't want them there, brother. But all in all, big up to you, Skilly, for the collab with Nicki Minaj, because that's remarkable. You see me say, like, as me say, hate the song, love the fact that they collab. You get me say? As in like hate, like not hate Crocodile teeth, hate, you know, the only get what me I say. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say, brother. I don't know what else to say. Just start. I don't know that. I don't know, brother. I don't know what to say. Tell me what you think down below. What you think I go on. What you think Skillibeng process before him drop a song. What you think him do and the morning when him wake up before him drop a song. Cause me no know, brother. I don't know. But yeah, as I say, I don't know, man. Nicki Minaj just come back and hit on her album. That's great for your career. You see me I say? But you as an artist now, Skilly as an artist now, need to just go so boom and decide to go start meds the song them way I drop before him drop. Cause the album the way you give in a brother with 35 songs in a brother. Hey, move this now. The 35 song, I mean, alright, cool. As an artist you want to have enough song, but enough good song. We never need 35 songs, brother. You're gonna literally give away 12 song, 13 song from the album there. And you gonna still have them same song there and drop leading up to summer, and you're still like have song left. Never appreciate that. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't appreciate the album with 35 songs. It was hard to digest. It just nah. So it wasn't it for me. As me say, me's a fan. Me realize say, you know, how far it come from. But I will keep it on a level still. You see me I say? You start good. Nah, you disappoint your fans, brother. Yep. You make people laugh after we in the streets, brother. You make the fans laugh after we in the streets, brother. You see me I say? Can't tell a man now say, yo, you know, I can't sing when the latest song them and the man look for me like me an idiot. Imagine me walking up on the road. I say, you want what's the latest song? Look up at the latest song when you drop. Look up a latest song when drop right now. Because I can't think of the last time Skillibeng drop a song where I say, Bomba! Trafalgar Road, we don't like that. We don't like that. You see what I say? You might drop some song from the other day, we just like shaky. Yo, two girl have a vibe though. Two girl have a vibe. You drop two not even gonna lie. Two girl have a vibe. I don't like energy. I don't like, bro, come on, bro. Get it together. You see what I say? You're a good artist, get it together. And that's all I'm say about it. Again, big up Skilly. You see me? It's looking good for his career. There's a lot of potential there right now. Like we are see where like, you know, he can use all of the looking that we might get for be big. But him not big yet. And if you understand, say, he have to be composed and strategic still, brother. You see me I say? So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Me go on.